Ever looked at a perfectly shaped bonsai tree and thought, I could never do that? The truth is, you can. Today, we're diving into the top 10 trees and shrubs that beginners can easily turn into thriving outdoor bonsai. Beautiful, resilient, and honestly surprisingly simple to care for. Outdoor bonsai connect you with nature in the purest way. Patience, balance, and beauty, all in one small tree. But choosing the right species can really make the difference between frustration and success. In this video, I'll share 10 reliable, beginner-friendly choices, explain why they work, and how to keep them looking incredible all year round. Number 10. Juniper. A classic favorite for beginners. Junipers are hardy evergreens that tolerate shaping, pruning, and even minor neglect. They love full sun and reward patience with a rugged, aged appearance that's just perfect for outdoor display. Number 9. Boxwood. Known for its small leaves and easy shaping, boxwood responds beautifully to regular pruning. It's slow-growing, forgiving, and can thrive in both partial shade and full sun. Number 8. The Japanese maple. This tree is truly a showstopper in every season, with its vibrant spring and fall colors. You know, these trees prefer bright but indirect light and slightly moist soil. They really teach beginners the balance between watering and sunlight, which are key bonsai skills. Coming in at number 7, we have the Chinese elm. It's a near-perfect starter tree, I must say. This one is strong and adaptable to different climates, plus it tolerates pruning extremely well. Even if you make a few mistakes, this tree bounces back fast. And at number 6, we have the cotoneaster. It's loved for its seasonal interest, with tiny flowers in the spring and berries in the fall. This tree is very responsive to wiring and pruning, making it ideal for hands-on learning and shaping practice. Number 5. Pine. Symbolic and timeless. Pines are sturdy and thrive in full sun. They require patience, but their textured bark and natural form reward consistent care with incredible character. Number 4. Azalea. A flowering shrub that turns any garden into a work of art. Azaleas love humidity and slightly acidic soil, producing breathtaking blooms every spring. Ideal for those who want both structure and color. Number 3. Olive. Hardy, drought-tolerant, and perfect for warmer climates. Olives develop twisted trunks and thick character over time, giving that ancient Mediterranean charm right in your backyard. Number 2. Hornbeam. Known for its refined branching and subtle elegance, it responds well to pruning and can handle colder temperatures, making it a favorite in temperate outdoor gardens. And number 1. Ficus, the ultimate beginner bonsai. Fast-growing, adaptable, and incredibly forgiving. It tolerates trimming, wiring, and varying humidity levels, making it the best teacher for anyone just starting out. When I started bonsai, I nearly gave up after my first tree didn't make it. But once I switched to hardy species like junipers and elms, everything changed. That's when I learned bonsai isn't about perfection, it's about patience and connection. So, if you're ready to begin your outdoor bonsai journey, start with any of these 10 species and grow with confidence. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe, and join the Sustainable Gardening family for more practical tips every week. Let's grow together, one small tree at a time.